Welcome aboard. It's been quite a while since I posted a cookery video. We've got a British Indian restaurant style prawn curry infused with plenty of spice and coconut. We're just waiting for the ghee to melt. It's time to add the ginger and garlic paste and some chopped garlic. Just cook away the raw flavours for 30-40 seconds or so. Going in with some chopped onions. This recipe serves two, and all the ingredients are in the video description. We're just going to saute those onions off. The onions have just turned translucent. I'm adding a generous amount of green chilli, topped and split with some green peppers. I'm just going to continue frying off the ingredients for a further couple of minutes just to soften the peppers and the chilies. I'm going in with the spices and salt. So we've got some Kashmiri chili powder, garam masala and some Taste of India mixed powder, link in the description, and about half a teaspoon of salt. And that will help the onions caramelise further. Just mix the spices in and give them a good roast. Make sure you've got enough oil or ghee in the pan not to burn your spices, and we'll just continue to cook that for about a minute. So I've just added some tomato masala. So tomato puree, tandoori masala, water to make it nice and slushy, with a little bit of red food colouring. Very, very simple. And just fry that off until it's at a good piping hot temperature. Next, I'm adding about half a tin of coconut cream milk. Coconut milk. I want that to reduce so it's nice and thick. We'll come back in a couple of minutes. After a couple of minutes, we've got bubbling throughout, and you can see the red oil coming to the surface, so that means the ingredients aren't taking on any more liquid, hence they're cooked. So next we've got some British Indian restaurant style based gravy. Plenty of recipes on the channel for that, so do have a browse. I'll probably put a link next to where this is mentioned in the description in the ingredients section. And why we use this curry pan in England along with the chef spoon. You see the caramelisation that gets built up in the cooking process. The chef spoon scrapes that away and incorporates it back into the sauce. That's where you get your concentrated flavour. And you do that occasionally throughout the cooking process for a greater taste. So it's bubbling throughout again, and you can just about see the oil coming to the surface, and the bit we've been waiting for, and I know it's a sin, using some prawns here. These are cooked. They're the ones I got at the shop today, so apologies in advance. I know they should be grey, and they've been marinating in a generous amount of turmeric, and they've been doused with lemon juice. So we're just going to simply heat the prawns up, and 2 portions, so a little bit of tomato in there as well. It's been about 90 seconds. Let's give it one last scrape. Smells delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to leave a comment, a big thumbs up, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. A few microgreens on that and dinner is served.